Just what is it in me? Sometimes I just don't know what keeps me in your love, and why you never let me go. And though you're in me now, I fall and hurt you still. My Lord, please show me how to know just how you feel. 'Cause you have forgiven me too many times, it seems. I feel I'm not what you might call a worthy Christian after all. And though I love you so, temptation finds its way to me. Teach me to trust in you with all of my heart, to lean not on my own understanding, 'cause I just forget. You won't give me what I can't bear. Take me out of the dark, my Lord, I don't wanna be there. No, no, no more. You've never left my side. You gave your hand to me to hold. Oh, Jesus, I'm no longer in the cold. And yet I leave you there when I feel satisfied. I'd like to thank you every day, not only when I feel this way. I've never known a man who'd give his life for sinners like me. Yet because he loves us so, he's promised us eternity, and we can have that promise and be his if we have faith and just believe. Teach me to trust in you with all of my heart, to lean not on my own understanding, 'cause I just forget. You won't give me what I can't bear. Take me out of the dark, my Lord, 'cause I don't wanna be alone. Take me out of the dark, my Lord, I don't wanna be there. No, no, my Lord. Trust in you with all of my heart, to lean not on my own understanding, 'cause I just forget. But you won't give me what I can't bear. Take me out of the dark, my Lord, 'cause I don't wanna be alone. Take me out of the dark, my Lord, I don't wanna be there. No, no, no more.
Wish 107.5.
Tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the sun does not appear, I will be here. If in the dark we lose sight of love, hold my hand and have no fear, 'cause I will be here. And I will be here when you feel like being quiet, when you need to speak your mind. I will listen, and I will be here when the laughter turns to crying, through the winning and losing and trying, we'll be together. Oh, and I will be true to the promise I have made, to you and to the one who gave you to me. Just as sure as seasons are made for change, our lifetimes are made for years. 'Cause I will be here, and we'll be together forever, 'cause I will be here.
Exclusive on Wish 107.5.
Lately I've been winning battles left and right, but even winners can get wounded in the fight. And people say that I'm amazing, I'm strong beyond my years, but they don't see inside of me. I'm hiding all the tears. They don't know that I come running home when I fall down. They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. I drop my sword and I cry for just a while, 'cause deep inside this armor, the warrior is a child. They don't know that I come running home when I fall down. They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. I drop my sword and I look up for a smile, 'cause deep inside this armor, deep inside this armor, deep inside this armor, the warrior is a child.
Alright, yeah, I hope you guys like this one.
Wish 1075.
Huwag ka nang umiyak sa mundong pabago-bago. Pag-ibig ko ay totoo. Ako ang iyong bangka. Kung magalit man ang alon ng panahon, sabay tayong maahon. Kung wala ka nang maintindihan, kung wala ka nang makapitan, kapit ka sa akin, kapit ka sa akin, hindi kita bibitawan. Huwag ka nang umiyak, mahaba man ang araw, uuwi ka sa yakap ko. At huwag mo nang damdamin kung wala ako sa iyong tabi. Iiwan ko ang puso ko sa iyo. At kung pakiramdam mo'y wala ka ng kakampi, isipin mo ako, dahil ang puso at isip ko'y nasa inyong tabi. Kung wala ka ng maintindihan, kung wala ka nang makapitan, kapit ka sa akin, kapit ka sa akin, hindi kita bibitawan.
Wish Cruiser on Wish 1075.
Kung wala ka nang maintindihan, kung wala ka nang makapitan, kapit ka sa akin, kapit ka sa akin, hindi kita bibitawan. Di kita pababayaan, hindi kita pababayaan. Huwag ka nang umiyak.
be first to see the latest videos from Wish 1075, just hit the subscribe button.
Ikaw ang hubog sa iyong bukas. Huwag mo sanang akalain natutulog pa ang Diyos. So well the day that you came into my life. You asked for my name. You had the most beautiful smile. My life started to change. I wake up each day feeling alright with you right by my side. Makes me feel things will work out just fine. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there was an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. I never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life and took all the worries and fears that I had. Guess what I'm really trying to say? It's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I love you. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there was an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my life. Oh, I never forget how you brought the sun to shine in my life and took all the worries and fears that I had. I guess what I'm really trying to say, it's not every day that someone like you comes my way. No words can express how much I love you. How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there was an empty space in my heart. You came at the right time in my
Wish 1075.
Huwag ka nang umiyak sa mundong pabago-bago. Pag-ibig ko ay totoo. Ako ang iyong bangka. Kung magalit man ang alon ng panahon, sabay tayong maahon. Kung wala ka nang maintindihan, kung wala ka nang